Welcome to Share Inspirations, guys. Today I wanted to give you a real quick experiment that I did. I wanted to share, if you're starting out and you don't have many seeds, you can do a chamomile tea bag, using a chamomile tea bag, sewing that to get cut flowers. And I have experimented that to showcase the results. Now, keeping in mind that more likely than not, you're not going to get a whole lot of plants. At least that's my experience. This is the first time I've done it. Just to share, if you are in the fall, this plant particularly loves growing in the fall and winter. You can sew a tea bag and get plants. And these two plants, if you see this one right here and that one right there, these are the two plants I have gotten so far from a tea bag. And I sewed this on the 11th of November. So just wanted to share an experience. This is, of course, shouldn't be a go-to thing, but then again, instead of buying seed, you can start out like this. And chamomile smells really great. It has tons of benefits. You can make tea, you can use them as cut flowers like I do. You can make soaps and scrubs and all sorts of good stuff. So yeah, that was a short video, guys, for the chamomile, growing chamomile out of a tea bag. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.